Hi Shopify merchants, I'm Angelina, and today I'm going to tell you about how to get some ideas on SEO improvement from the text side, from the content side, and overall to improve your sales through SEO. Now I'm at the SEMRush service in the SEO toolkit section, and I'm going to switch to on-page SEO checker. Now I need to enter my store. I use the one which I found in the Shopify top store list. It's Belroy. Here I can choose the country. And then we are going to check the report. Right now SEMRush is checking the pages of my store and generating great ideas. That's finished. Just a couple of minutes and I've got 59 ideas on how to improve my store SEO, and there are 2 strategy ones and 30 content ideas, and now I'm going to check them all. Here you can see all the ideas on SEO improvement categorized, and there are the main pages that should be improved. They include the home page of the site. They are set in the priority order. So let's get to know the ideas themselves. Here you can find the tips on the content improvement. For example, specific suggestions which you can place in your H1 or title tags. Then it suggests you to create more informative content for your site in general. It even offers you the site where you can place the links to your site, and it provides you with some suggestions on the improvement of the text from the text side. That's great. Let's return to the overview. You can check the same information about your store different pages or different keywords. So now you can see that this service is really useful for your store because it gives you ideas to attract more traffic and therefore to attract more sales for your business. I recommend you to also purchase the paid plan for the SEMRush service, and you can use our partner link in the video description for purchasing this plan. If you have any comments and suggestions, as always, feel free to share them, and we would really love to see your feedback. So like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned.